Ayan, so, ah, reviewin natin, no, yung naging quiz ninyo. Um, paano ba paano ba nagkakaroon ng conversion from decimal into fraction into percentage? At isa doon sa naging ano ninyo, naging question doon sa or nahirapan siguro kayo. Ayan, doon tayo sa ito. Ayan. So, marami namang may nakakuha ng tamang sagot. Doon sa isang theory, when converting percent to decimal, move the decimal 2 places. Ayan. So, saan natin i-move yung decimal place natin? For example, ang decimal natin ay 0.2. Okay? So, kung 0.2 yung ating decimal, paano natin gagawing percentage? Saan magmo-move yung tinatawag natin na decimal place? So, if it is decimal, pupunta siya sa percentage. Ang gagawin natin, move going to right. Ayan. So, ano nakalagay dito? When converting percents to decimal. Ayan. So, decimal to percentage, pupunta tayo ng right. So, magiging 2 places. Magiging siyang, diba? From 0.2, magiging siyang 2 decimal place. So, magiging siyang 20%. So, move siya ng dalawang decimal place. Palakihin natin. Ayan. So, ayan. So, decimal fraction percentage. So, paano natin gagawing fraction ito? So, since ang decimal natin is 2 at ang kanyang place value is tenths kasi after decimal point, tenths agad yon. So, 2/10. So, ganyan yung magiging sagot natin. So, for instance, ang tinatanong, decimal to percentage going right. Kapag percentage to decimal naman, ibig sabihin going left. So, pupunta siya ng left, 1, 2, 0.2. Isa pang example, maglalagay tayo 0.32. So, since ito ay tinatawag na decimal, gagawin nating percentage, move tayo ng dalawang decimal place going right. So, ibig sabihin, it is from dito, di ba? 0.32. So, decimal place tayo ng papuntang right. So, 1. Ayan. Tapos, 2. So, dito mo ilalagay yung percentage. 32%. So, paano natin gagawing fraction ito? Since meron tayong 32, ayan. So, yung 32 na yan, ano yung place value ng ating 2? Yung number 2 dyan. So, that is tenths. Yung 3, yung 2 ay 100. So, over 100. So, what if ang given sa atin ay percentage? So, anong gagawin natin? For example, we have 45%. So, 45%. Paano natin i-express ito as decimal? So, again, pag papuntang decimal, papuntang left. So, 45%. Decimal place tayo ng dalawa. So, that is 1, 2. Bigyan mo ng 0. That is 0.45. So, paano natin i-express as fraction? 45 since dalawang number yan. So, tenths, hundreds. Okay. So, madalas nagkakamali yung fraction. Pwede bang i-express ang fraction ng ganito? Yes, pero kapag sinabi natin na i-express natin ng fraction, ine-express natin sa lowest or simplest form. So, ano ang lowest term nung 2 over 10? That is equivalent to, yan, that is equivalent to, saan natin i-equalize yung 2 over 10 natin? That is divisible both by 2, so 1 over 5 yung sagot natin. Dito sa 32, pwede nating i-divide by 4. So, magiging siyang 8 over 25. So, di-divide natin both by 4. So, 32 divided by 4, 8. 100 divided by 4, 25. So, yan na yung ating final answer. Para naman yung 45 over 100? I-divide natin by 9. So, that is 5 over... Pwede ba i-divide yung 100 sa 9? Hindi. So, baliktarin natin. I-divide natin both by 5. 9 over 20. So, yan na ba yung lowest term? Simplest form niya? Yes. So, ano ang fraction talaga natin sa 0.2? That is 1 over 5 or 20%. Yung 32, that is 8 over 25 from 32 over 100 or 32%. Ganon din dito. Sir, what if ang decimal namin ay 0.777? So, ibig sabihin, tuloy-tuloy yung 0.7. So, ano gagawin natin? Since isang number ang paulit-ulit, 7, tapos, gagawin nating tenths. So, that is, decimal place natin ng 10, tapos, 1, or minus 1, that is 9. So, ano ang percentage nito? So, para makuha natin yung percentage, i-divide natin yung fraction or pwede rin naman yung decimal. So, again, 0.77. Yan. So, meron tayo dito decimal place. So, magiging siyang decimal place na 1, then 2. So, that is 77.7, etc., etc. percent. Or, pwede nating i-express ng 77.7778%. Pwede rin yan. Okay. So, tama ba yung sagot natin? Tingnan natin sa calculator natin. So, 7 divided by 9 is equal to 0.7777. So, ganun siya. Kapag isang number lang paulit-ulit, kukunin natin yung 9 siya. So, paano naman kung 0.56, etc. So, paano natin kukunin ito? Kukunin lang natin ano yung number na umuulit-ulit. That is 56. Tapos, ano ang decimal place ng 56 natin? That is tenths and hundreds. So, para makuha natin, so, ang decimal place natin ay tenths. Tapos, i-minus natin ng 1. Agaya dito. Yan. So, para ma-imagine nyo rin ito. That is 7 over 10 minus 1 or equal to 7, 9. Ganon din siya dito. So, it is equal to 56 over 99. So, check natin. So, 56 divided by 99 is equal to 0.56565656. So, paano natin i-express as percentage? Katulad lang din nung ginawa natin. 56 dahil nasa dun sa left side, 2 decimal place. So, merong percentage. Kaso meron ka pa natitira. So, 0.5656 etc. or 56.5657%. Yan. Ganyan natin ina-express yan. Okay. So, last natin na example, paano naman kung ito ay may hindi umuulit. So, 0. We have 3. Tapos, sabihin natin yung 14. So, paulit-ulit yung 14. Anong gagawin natin? Kukunin natin yung number na mula doon sa hindi umuulit hanggang doon sa repeating. So, that is 3 and 14. Kasi yung 14, ulit-ulit. Yung 3, hindi umuulit-ulit. Then, over. So, ano decimal place nung 314? That is tenths, hundreds, thousands. So, thousands tayo. Okay? Tapos, ano ang decimal place nung hindi umuulit? Yun yung 3. So, that is tenths. Imbis na minus 1, that is tenths. Ngayon yung 314, kailangan minusan din natin ito or may isusubtract tayo. So, ano isusubtract natin? Ang isusubtract natin ay yung number na hindi umuulit. That is 3. Ayan. So, simplify natin ito. Ano magiging sagot? That is 314 minus 3. That is 311 over 1,000 minus 10. That is 990. Tanong, pwede ba bang i-lowest term yung 311? Try natin sa 3. Hindi pwede. Try natin sa 5. Hindi rin pwede. So, that is the lowest term. Ngayon, gawin nating decimal or percentage. Paano mo gagawing percentage? So, 0.31414. So, since na-discuss na natin, pupunta ng right side. So, decimal place 1, 2. That is 31, 4, 1, 4, 1, 1, etc. 4, 1, 4, 1. Or, express natin as 31.4141%. Ayan. So, tingnan natin kung tama. So, 311 divided by 990, that is 3.14. So, ganun yung ating pag-convert from decimal into fraction, then fraction to percentage, or pwede namang vice versa. Bibigyan tayo ng tinatawag na percentage. So, ang percentage natin, sabihin na natin 34%. So, paano natin gagawing percentage yon? Yung percentage na 34%, paano nakuha? That is 34 over 100. Or, that is equivalent to, lowest term natin sa 2, that is 17 over 50. So, paano natin gagawing decimal yan? So, again, decimal place, kaso papuntang left. That is 0.34. So, paano naman if it is 34.56, etc. So, paano natin express as decimal? That is 0.345656, etc. So, paano natin express as fraction? So, yung long solution natin, that is, ano yung number na hindi repeating? That is 3. Ano yung number na repeating naman? Yung 4 din. Tapos, yung 56. So, 56. Minus, ano yung number na hindi repeating? 34. Okay. Tapos, ano yung denominator natin? Ang denominator natin ay, ano ba ang 3, 4, 5, 6 na decimal place dito? That is tenths, hundreds, thousands, 10,000. So, 10,000. Minus, ano yung decimal place nung 34? Kasi yun hindi umuulit. So, tenths, hundreds. Yan. So, yan yung ating solution. So, 3, 4, 5, 6. minus 34, that is 3422 over yung 10,000 minus 100, that is 9,900. Tama ba? Tingnan natin. 3422 divided by 9,900, that is equivalent to 34,5,656. Ngayon ang tanong, pwede bang i-lowest term ito? I-divide natin both by 2. So 3422 divided by 2, that is 17,011 ay 1711 or 1,711 over, so 9,900 divided by 2, that is 4,950. So 4,950. Pwede ba bang i-lowest term ito? 1711 divided by 3, that is not divisible. 1711 divided by 4, hindi rin. 1711 divided by 6, hindi rin. 1711 divided by 7, 1711 divided by 8, hindi rin. 1711 divided by 9, hindi rin siya. So 1711 divided by 3 ulit, wala. So ibig sabihin, hindi na siya divisible into a complete whole number. So that is our final answer. Yan. So ito yung ating mga answer dito. Yan. Okay. So may tanong ba tayo dyan? Wala naman. Yan. So since wala tayong tanong dyan, move tayo doon sa ratio and proportion. Okay. Doon sa ratio and proportion, meron kayong mga hindi nakukuha siguro doon or nahirapan. Tingnan natin itong ayan. So as customers increases, the sales also increase. So nag-increase daw yung ating sales kapag nag-increase yung customer. So yung value ng X, lagay natin. So the value. So dito tayo sa ratio and proportion. So ratio and proportion. Yan. So doon tayo sa tinatawag natin na customer. Sabi niya, kapag nag-i-increase si customer, mag-i-increase din yung sales. So si customer yung X natin, sales yung Y. Sabi niya, if there are total of 15,750 sales, so 15,750 sales, then meron tayong 325 na customers. Magkano or ilan daw ang customer natin kapag ang sales natin is 12,000? So ang sales natin is 12,000. So ang hinahanap natin yung number ni customer. So since ito ay tinatawag natin na direct proportion kasi as customer increases, the sales increases. So dito ang sales nag-decrease, dapat magdi-decrease din si customer. So paano natin isa-solve yan? So 325 over 15,750. Yan. Tapos yung unknown value natin is X over 12,000. Or tama, 12,000. So paano natin isa-solve ito? Yan. So 320, gagawin lang natin cross multiplication. So para mapabilis, so that is ang X ay equivalent to yung 12,000 multiplied by 325 Tapos, i-divide natin ng 15,750. Ayan. Ganyan yung solution natin yan. So, ilagay na lang natin as denominator. So, divided by 15,750. So, ano sagot natin dito? So, that is equivalent to 12,000 multiplied by 325 divided by 15,750. Ano sagot natin? 247.6. Pero nung hinahanap, nearest whole number. So, ibig sabihin, ang ating magiging final answer, since nearest whole number, that is 247.6. So, dapat, i-declare natin as 248 customers. Ayan. So, yan yung ating sagot. 248 customers. Ayan. So, yan yung ating sagot. So, what if yung hinanap naman sa atin, sabi niya, as customer increases, the sales also increases. So, if there are total of 15,000, again, parehas lang sila, no? 325, tsaka 15,750. Pero sabi niya, if the sales are total of, or if there are total of 20,000 sales, ilan daw yung expected customers natin? So, instead of 12,000, meron tayong 20,000 na sales. So, kung 20,000 yung sales natin, palitan lang natin na X. Yan. Tapos, instead na 12,000, that is 20,000. So, yung solution natin dito, dapat papalitan natin 12,000 ng 20,000. So, 20,000 multiply by 325 divided by 15,750. So, that is equivalent to, solve natin, 20,000 divided by 350. So, 20,000 multiply by 325 divided by 15,750. Sana sagot? That is 400 watts. So, tingnan niyo, as the sales increases, nag-increase din yung ating number of customer. So, round to the nearest whole number. So, meron tayong 413 customers. Okay? So, meron tayong 413 na customers. As you can see, ganyan yung tinatawag natin na direct proportion. So, meron tayong 248 approximately. Tapos, meron tayong 413 approximately na customer. So, yan yung ratio and proportion natin. So, paano pag indirect? Yan. So, kapag indirect, sabi niya, nag-i-increase yung isang value, nagdi-decrease yung isang value. So, in the current year, there are about 257 transactions. Dito naman tayo sa tinatawag natin na yung cost. Yung cost natin, yun ang ating input. Tapos, meron tayong transactions. Okay? So, sabi niya dito, when the price of the product increases, the customers tend to look for alternatives, thus decreasing the sale. So, in the current year, there are about 257 transactions. So, meron daw tayong 257 na transactions. And then, meron tayong cost niya is 75 per item. So, meron tayong 75 per item. So, if ang tinatanong, what should be the cost to have at least 771 transactions? Inahanap natin 771. So, since ito ay tinatawag natin na indirect, dapat yung 75 ay bababa kasi yung transaction tumaas. So, para makuha natin yan, kukunin natin yung constant nitong value na to. So, ang formula natin dyan is y is equal to, yan. Paano natin kukunin yan? Y is equal to k, yung constant. Yan. So, that is k over x. So, since ganyan yan, ang gagawin natin dito, kunin natin yung value ng k natin. So, k is equal to, multiply natin yung x and y. So, that is 257 multiply by 75. So, that is, i-multiply natin itong dalawa. So, that is 19,207.50. So, ang hinahanap natin itong 771 na transaction. So, para makuha natin itong x, so, kukunin natin yung x. X is equal to, yan. Para natin kukunin yung value ng x, that is equal to yung 19,275 divided by 771. So, yun yung ating given. So, that is equivalent to x is equal to, so, ano yung sagot pala natin dito? That is x equal to 19,275 divided by 771. We have 25. So, 25. As you can see, nag-increase yung transaction nung nag-decrease yung cost. That is indirect. Yan. So, 25. Next, meron tayong tinatawag na what if. Yan. So, sabi niya, what if ano daw ang estimated cost when there are only 75 transactions? So, ibig sabihin yung transaction naman ngayon. So, ang transaction natin from 257 naging 75. So, as you can see, since ito ay bumaba, dapat tataas yung cost natin. So, alam natin na ang constant natin is 19,275. So, x is equal to 19,275 divided by 75. Ayan. So, ano yung magiging sagot natin? Ano yung magiging sagot natin? So, that is yung 19,275 divided by 75. So, as you can see, 257. So, nag-increase yung cost, nag-decrease yung transaction. So, yan yung ating mga answer. Yan. So, ganun nagsasolve ng, ito, ang tawag natin dito ay direct. Ayan. Tawag natin dito, indirect. Paano kung combination? Siguro, ewan ko kung may nakukuha ba na marami dito. So, iba-iba yung sagot ninyo. So, gagawin natin, the more customers there are, the higher the sales. As the number of customer is, ayan, binigyan tayo. The number of customers is 25. So, meron tayong customer 25 daw. So, sin-separate yan. Meron tayong customer na 25. Tapos, meron tayong approximately 125 na sales. So, 125 na transactions. Ayan. So, sabi niya, however, as the cost increases, the lesser the customers there are. Ibig sabihin, kapag tumataas yung ating cost, bababa daw yung customer. Ibig sabihin, bababa rin yung transaction. So, kapag 125 daw ang cost, ilan ang transactions? So, the transactions will only be 30 customers. Ibig sabihin, 30 customers lang. Ayan. So, if ganito yung tanong natin, how much will be the expected sales when the cost reach 250 pesos? So, ang sales natin, hindi natin alam. So, ito yung Y. Ito yung X natin. Tapos, dito, meron tayong tinatawag na the cost is 125. 30. So, anong gagawin natin? Kailangan makuha natin na ang expected sales when the cost is 250 pesos. So, given sa atin ang cost. Ang cost ay 250 pesos. So, hindi natin alam. Ito. Ayan. So, kunin muna natin transactions. Tapos, gamitin natin dito sa number of customers para makuha natin yung tinatawag na expected sales natin. So, highlight muna natin yung expected sales natin. Yan. So, dito isusolve natin. Ilan ba yung transaction kapag 250 or ilan yung customer natin? So, kunin natin yung K. So, that is equivalent to K is equal to 125 multiplied by 30. So, ano sagot natin dito? That is equivalent to 125 multiplied by 30. So, that is 3,750. Ayan. So, kukunin natin yung Y natin. So, para makuha natin yung Y, that is Y is equivalent to 3,750 divided by 250. So, Y is equivalent to 3,750 divided by 250. Okay. So, since kuha na natin yung value na yan, anong gagawin natin doon sa sunod na mga value? So, that is, so Y is equivalent to 3,750 divided by 250. So, ano sagot natin? Meron tayong 15 na customer. So, ibig sabihin, ilalagay natin dito 15. Yan. So, 15 customer yan. So, 15 customer din. Next, ano yung susunod natin? Hahanapin natin yung expected na sales. Since direct yung kanilang tinatawag na relationship or yung proportion, direct proportion, pag nag-increase, mag-i-increase. Kapag magdi-decrease itong customer, magdi-decrease din to. So, that is equivalent to Y is equal to 125,000 multiplied by 15 divided by 25. Tama ba? So, that is equivalent to, ayan, so yung Y natin, Y is equal to, so multiply natin, multiply divided by 25. So, ilan ang sales natin? 7,005 or 75,000. So, ito yung sales natin ngayon. So, ang sales natin ay 7,000 or 75,000. Kasi yan yung ating estimated na sales. So, ganyan sinasagutan yung ating fraction ratio and proportion. So last, bago tayo mag-end, meron din tayong tinatawag na yung arbitrary. So paano gumagawa ng ganon? So meron tayo dito, if on problem 1, the other partner wanted to receive also a certain sum of money, partners A, B, C, D. Ayan. So si partner, ayan, ito yung last natin. Partner A. Ayan. So partner B, partner C, and partner D. Ngayon, sabi niya dito, profit and loss ratio 5-1-1-1. So, meron silang 5-1-1-1. Ang total nito is yan. So, ang total nito is 8, di ba? So, summation. So, that is 8. So, kung kukunin natin yung kanilang proportion, apply natin yung fraction. So, that is 5/8. So, meron din tayo dito na 1/8. So, dapat pag in-add natin ito, equivalent to 1. Okay. So, since equivalent to 1, ngayon ang hinahanap natin, if B and C wanted a total of 15,700, magkano dapat yung total income? If B and C wanted what we call 15,700, gusto nila 15,700. So, anong gagawin natin? Kailangan lalabas yung total net income natin na 15,700. So, ilan yung proportion nila? That is 2/8. Diba? 1 plus 1 is 2, 2/8. Tapos ito daw. So, dapat ang total is 15,700. So, paano natin kukunin? Madali lang. That is, kunin natin itong 15,700. I-divide natin doon sa proportion. So, ang proportion yan is 2/8. Diba? So, since 2/8 ang 15,700, kasi si B and C daw yun, magkano yung ating total net income? 62,800. So, since 62,800 yan, i-multiply natin doon sa proportion ni A, that is 39,250. And then ito, i-less lang natin ito doon sa dalawa. So, that is 7,850. So, ito yung sagot natin. Yan. So, 7,850 times 2, that is 15,700. So, pag silang tatlo, in-add mo, that is 23,550. So, ganoon lang sinasagutan yung isa nating ratio and proportion. So, with that, sana mas naging clear sa atin kung paano ginagamit ang decimal fractions, percentage, ratio, and proportions, and also kung paano sila ina-apply in real life. So, kung wala tayong questions, class dismiss, and see you again on Wednesday or Thursday.